For this video, I am going to teach you how to remove Yahoo from your Google Chrome as a browser. So if you have your Google Chrome or if you're using your Google Chrome and you are searching something in here and the search engine or the default search engine that you are using is Yahoo and you want to change that up, what you need to do first is to click on this three dots icon situated on the upper right corner of your screen and then click to settings. So then once you are in your settings on the left hand side of your screen, go ahead and search or locate for search engine. And then once you are in here, you'll be able to notice that right here it says that Yahoo Philippines. So it basically means that your or the browser their default browser is Yahoo. So now if you want to change that, just hit this change button and select Google if you want to use Google Chrome as your browser and then set as default. And if you really want to delete Yahoo right here, just need to click on to to this manage search engine and site search section right here, and then on the lower part you'll be able to see all of your browsers that are available for you to use. So just locate Yahoo and then click this three that's icon situated on the right side part and select delete from the drop down menu and hit delete again. So it says right here, are you sure you want to delete the search engine? So just finalize the action. So it's basically it. After you have click onto this delete button, you'll be able to remove Yahoo from your Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.